Hey everyone, my name is Noëlla and I just received a package. So, yesterday I ordered a camera and that was on a Saturday, and today is Sunday, but I already received it. So, I have the box over here. Here is the box. I already opened the top. Let's see. So, we have a lot of these things, little balloons, and here is the package. Okay, so here is the package. I took it out of the box, so there's another one. Okay, I'm filming this on my phone now, so I hope it's not too shaky for you. Okay, getting started. CanonEurope.com, my new EOS. Okay, so this is the Canon. Oh, there's a little face jacket. Okay, that's nice. And then the camera itself. Oh, I'm going to put you down for a bit. Okay, so let's put this away. And now we have to open this one. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so it has a memory card, 16 gigabytes. It has a little cloth to clean it. This is the manual. And another one, I think. Yes. Okay, so thanks for choosing Canon. Get started straight away. Okay, let's open this. And we have a little cord. Okay, nice. Then this is the camera. Wow. Okay, let's wait until we have everything. Okay, this is the battery. Then we have a little cord. And this is the battery loader. And let's see. How do I get this out? Okay, I'm going to put you down for a sec again. Okay, and we got a lens. Whoa, that's a very big lens. Okay. So now let's put this away. Let's open the camera. Okay. It's very hard to do this one-handed, but oh my god, it's so beautiful. So this is the new Canon camera EOS M100. So wow, this is it. And then we have a giant lens. And that's this one. Wow, look at this. It looks so cool. I never had a camera like this before. Whoa. So cool. So yeah. And the screen can flip. Let's try this. So we have a flip screen. That's cool. Whoa. Okay, so Okay, so I'm going to try out my new camera and I will film some clips later to see what the quality is. This is my phone quality. I'm not using my old camera, so because on my last video that I filmed with my old camera, the video about making cupcakes into the air fryer, it was very blurry, so yes, I thought of getting a new camera, and yeah, let's see how this works out. Hi guys, so I am now filming on my old camera. So this is the quality of it. So it's a little bit pixely, if I say so. So yeah, zooming in and zooming out. And yes, so next to me I have my new camera over here. So I'm going to show you the quality, and let's switch to it right now. Okay, so now I'm filming on my new camera, and yes, the quality is very nice. And I can zoom out, I can zoom in on my nose. So yes, I'm really happy with my new camera. So yes, this is my new purchase and I'm going to film a lot with this new camera. So yay!